CHF₃ Lewis structure, trifluoromethane Lewis dot structure. Carbon has 4 valence electron, hydrogen has 1 valence electron, fluorine has 7 valence electron, multiply by 3. So 4 plus 1 plus 7 times 3. This 3 is the number of atom. So 21. So totally we have 26 valence electron. This 26 valence electron has two tasks at the same time. The first task is to connect these 5 atoms together, and the second task is to satisfy the octet and duet of the atoms of the central atom. So carbon is the central atom because it has the highest capacity of making bond and it is least electronegative. Hydrogen is always considered as outer atom. So let me connect. For connect, just place here 2 dots for every pair of atom. So we have connected and we have used 2, 4, 6, 8 valence electron out of 26. Now satisfy the octet of outer atom first. So we have used here 2, 4, 6, 8, then 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. We have used all the valence electrons. Now check for octet. Octet, 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 duet for hydrogen. Now check for octet of central atom. Octet. So this is the Lewis dot structure of trifluoromethane. You can replace this bonding pair by a dash or line. Okay. So this is the structural formula of trifluoromethane, or another way of writing Lewis dot structure.